Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is KOMBI. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make soft chapatis. I'll take you through step by step, and kindly note that this is my way of making chapati. So come along with me. All we need is all-purpose flour. We need 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and in addition I'll be adding my pumpkin. This is my malenge. I've already boiled and mashed. You can mash using the fork, or you can blend as well. So as you can see, I'm just making it finer and finer. So I take my basin, I put my 2 tablespoons of salt, and then I put my 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'll go ahead and mix, and then I put my mashed malenge. And then using my cooking stick, I'll go ahead and mix my malenge with sugar and salt until they become even. So keep on mixing. As you can see, my malenge and sugar plus salt are well mixed. I'll go ahead and measure my water. In this case, I'll be putting 3 cups of water since I'm using the 2 kg all-purpose flour. And point to note, I'm using the same water that I had boiled my malenge with. I'll go ahead and start stirring. Make sure you stir well so that the ingredients mix well. Now it's time to make the dough. Hapa unaeka unga kidogo kidogo ndio ishikane ile consistency tunataka, because if you put all the flat ones inaweza kuwa ngumu, and we don't want that. We want to achieve the desired soft dough. Also note that I'm using the cooking stick at first because my water was very hot and I won't be able to use my hand because I don't want to get burned. Now it's time to use my hand, and my hand is already clean, so I'll go ahead and start making the dough using my hand. So guys, as you can see, my dough is ready. And something I forgot to record is while I was adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the dough so as to make it more soft. So I'll go ahead and cover it with the cling foil and give it some time to rest. In this case, I'll give it about 45 minutes. I'll cut my dough in big circles, and then I'm going to roll it. After rolling it, I'll sprinkle some little amount of oil. Then I'll cut into long and thin strips. That way I'll be able to achieve my small circles. Like, I'll be able to make the small circles that will give me each and every chapati. So this is how my small circles looks like, and as you can see, they are all equal in size. Now it's time to roll the actual chapati, and this is usually my hardest point, but I try my best to make a perfect circle. But then if I won't, we keep going. Oh, but I did my best. I've tried my best. Yes. And finally, guys, my chapos are ready. Look at these, guys. Didn't your girl try? Oh my goodness. Ona vile zinakaa fiti. They look so good and so soft. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment and share to your friends and family. Support your girl, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and we become one family. See you in the next video, guys.